Hi, Rich Pesqueira with Lopez and Lopez Realtors at Long Realty. Are you unsure whether to sell or rent your house when you move? If so, ask yourself these questions. First, is it a good fit for renting? If you're moving far away or the house needs repairs, selling might be a better option. Next, are you ready for the reality of being a landlord? Because it's not just about collecting rent, it's about handling maintenance and unfortunately tenant issues, and for some people, the stress just isn't worth it. And finally, have you considered all the costs? It's not just the mortgage. There are extra expenses for taxes, insurance, maintenance, advertising to find more tenants, and more. It all adds up, so selling could be a better financial move. At the end of the day, whether you sell or rent depends on your situation. Weigh the pros and cons and get professional advice. That's what I'm here for. Enjoy your day, and I look forward to speaking with you.